welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe, and we're going to do the Blackout Chrome Delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation. It's just your regular Blackout Chrome panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the look of the vehicle. If you like the product, the link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we need to make sure we prep the rim. So we need to remove all the contaminants that it may have, and also we need to make sure that it doesn't have any wax or any ceramic coating on the wheel, because if it does, the film won't stick to the panel. So we need to make sure that it's clean. And also something to keep in mind, the size of the wheel that we're using today is the rim size 20. So make sure that the rim size we have here matches the same one with the vehicle that you have. So let's get started. So just prep it. Use any cleaning solution that you have available to prep the wheel. And then once you're done prepping it, make sure the panel is dry so we can do the installation. So once you finish prepping the panel and it's ready for installation, we can start by installing the film. So with your film, make sure to remove the protective layer that's on the film. Okay, make sure to remove the protective layer and start by installing on the top section here first. So make sure you align it here, work your way to the other end. Align it there, work your way to this edge, should reach there. This one lift, adjust again, and it should just lay on the panel. Just like that. And you would just grab your squeegee and start tacking down the whole film. And you would just rinse and repeat for each one. And once you're done, we will install the last piece, which would be for this one right here. So just finish installing the rest of them. So once you finish installing all of the pieces, the last piece will be the center one here. So you would just grab your piece and just align it right in the center and tack it down. Just make sure it's aligned, you're good to go. Just finish off installing the rest of them, and then once you're done, you will post heat the whole film. And the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation is post heat the film. So just take your time, go on each section, help the film tack down on any curves or anywhere where it's lifting, and also help it remove any small fingers that might be appearing on the edges of the film. So that concludes the installation video for the Blackout Chrome Delete for the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.